You've probably come across one of those ads on Instagram or on TikTok that advertise an eSIM for traveling. But have you ever actually wondered what an eSIM is? Okay, I'll explain it. An eSIM is a SIM card that is integrated into your smartphone and cannot be physically removed. eSIM stands for Embedded SIM and is a tiny chip within your device, unlike standard SIM cards, which are plastic and may be removed. An eSIM serves the same purpose as a traditional SIM, which is to allow you to make calls, send messages, and access your mobile data. An eSIM's data is rewritable, so you may switch networks without physically replacing the SIM card. It is also significantly smaller than traditional SIM cards, so phone manufacturers have more hardware space for additional features like faster processors or bigger batteries. The advantages of an eSIM include it being able to switch between different networks when needed. So imagine you are traveling internationally, and instead of having to physically look for a network provider and then insert the local SIM card into your device, your eSIM allows you to switch to a local network seamlessly. And this can save you time and money on roaming costs while it ensures that you stay connected. Some devices can have multiple eSIMs on one device, so this means you can alternate between different networks. You can also use eSIMs on wearable devices like smartwatches. It's important to note that not all phones support eSIMs. Here are some examples. Only the iPhones since iPhone X onward support eSIMs, as well as Samsungs from the Galaxy S21 series and the Z Fold and Flip 3, 4, and 5. Other phones that aren't sold in South Africa, like the Google Pixel and the OnePlus, also support eSIMs. And additionally, South African network providers haven't yet perfected eSIM services, so you may still have to walk in store in order to activate your SIM, which is kind of ironic. In summary, eSIMs offer flexibility, convenience, and efficient use of phone hardware space. And as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the future. And now we know what eSIMs are. Don't forget to follow 8th Avenue, and if you enjoy tech content or have a tech term that needs explanation, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll explain it.